Hello and welcome to part 2 of this exciting series of videos about how to set up your own server on Gamesalad. And in the previous section we downloaded this file which will be the key to success, and so we need to put it into a good state where it can be used. And first of all we delete the stuff around the top, and now we need to delete these forward slashes because they're actually not really part of the code. So I'm just deleting them one by one, and you can see as I delete them they open up the code to actually being used. So I'll just press delete all. So now the code's actually usable. And don't worry, you don't have to understand this. So it's pretty complicated, but basically there's just the top and the bottom you need to deal with, and you need to fill in your details. So you've got your server name, username, password, which are really, you got to get that right, and the DB name and table name you got to get right, and then everything else is fine as long as you make tables exactly like in this. And just one other thing about an ID thing. So anyway, I'll just go and change that. So the username B4160, password I gave was Jackham. Yep, so it's a pretty good password. I think. My MySQL hostname, I've actually made a big mistake here, but we'll find out in this exciting series of videos exactly how big it is, and why there's 5 videos and not like 3. Anyway, don't want to spoil it. Okay, so I call it GS test because when I was learning how to do it, that's the name that Jon was using, the pioneering Gamesalad user. So so I go happy holidays. Okay, so it's a website, and it works. That's always a good thing. Okay, so that definitely worked the second time as well, not just the first time. And so I'll log in to the back side of it, the sort of server end that the people can't normally look at unless they happen to own the website. So my username is going to be that thing, B4 something something, and I have a lot of panels open, browsers open, was it Windows tabs? That's the one, tabs. I've got a lot of tabs open, so I'm a bit slow. Password is Jackham. Logged in. Oh dear. Okay. This sometimes happens. Because basically as soon as I figured out how to do it, I went and I made this YouTube video. So I'm sort of a bit clumsy here, so I've made a mistake. And here I am just trying it again and again because it will probably be different the next time. Not really. Okay, so have I figured it out? Okay, so I think I maybe used the wrong details. Let's try it again. No, didn't work. Okay, now I think I figured it out here. I actually need to click on another link. So if you go back to where you got your account details, you actually need to click on Control Panel. So you click on the Control Panel URL, and here we go to something called Vista Panel, and you can log into the back end of your program, your online server thing. So go and log in. Alright, now go to databases. go to create a new database, like GS test. Oh no! It turns out that already exists because I actually logged in on my other server by accident, but I don't know that yet in this video, so we're gonna watch me make a new database under a different name. Yep. Okay, so I ended up making another database called GS Ham. I don't know why I choose the random names that I do. Yep. Okay, so GS Ham. Go to admin. Create table GS Ham. Just keep the table and the database the same name. It's a bit easier. 3 columns. Oh, you don't have to actually. It depends on what you want. So I'm just copying what was in the tutorial on the Gamesalad website, the forums. Player ID is the first one, text, player name is the second column, text, and player stats is the third one, which is an integer, which means whole numbers. Save. Okay, so it's all fine, but there's nothing, like there's no information in it. Okay, going well. Right, so we open it up in Xcode and stay far away from text editor because it will mess up our quotation characters as I was saying before. And this is the end of the second video. Wait till you see the thrilling next 3 videos.